Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button. We thank you for all your support and we look forward to giving you more and more trading and investing videos. You're looking at a trade that we did in Facebook. Facebook had earnings today, had an earnings report, and the stock dropped like crazy. The stock price dropped like crazy. So as technical traders, we wait for a clean trade setup. We anticipate that the stock price is going to go even lower. So we decided to get in put options. So put options, when the stock price goes down, the put option price goes higher. Amazing opportunities that you can have with trading options so you can make money on both sides of the market. As you notice, we drew a blue line. Now that blue line is basically like our support line. That's a line where we know buyers are above and sellers are below. Since we've been trading for a long time, we can anticipate different movements using a whole variety of different factors that we put into consideration. So even though we are looking at this one stock chart, we're taking in a lot of data in order to make a decision why we can anticipate that the stock price will go lower. As you notice, we get in this trade, we fluctuate from being green in the money to being red. Now that's normal when you're day trading options or trading in general. Sometimes there's not always going to be a time when you get right in the trade and it's going to automatically get you money. There's always sometimes a little shaking up that happens, a little boiling that happens, or congestion before the big move actually comes. Now you notice here that when we're in the trade, we're up some decent money. A couple of times we're up $300-400. As a newbie, we always suggest that you take that money because that's the whole point of trading. You don't want to be in the market that long. You want to be able to get that income, right? When you're trading, you want that income. As an investor, that's long term. So as we look at Facebook, this is a great company. Everybody uses Facebook. But why do we think the stock price is going to go lower? It's based off of technical analysis. So we're not betting on the long term that Facebook price is going to stay that long. No, we're only looking at the short term, what we visually see that can happen. So we get in this trade, and every trade that we get in is very precise. That's what we teach our students. Risk management is the priority. Risk management is the priority. So we teach our students how to minimize the loss and maximize the profit. So sometimes when you're trading, you just don't get right in right away when the bell rings. You sit back and you wait for your clean trade setup. And that's what we did. We sit back and we waited for our clean trade setup. Now you notice the bar is starting to turn red. This is what we were looking for. The previous bar was white, but we can anticipate the price going even lower. We don't know anything about the earnings report. We don't know if it was bad. We don't know if it was good. We just noticed that the price dropped. And we used our technical analysis to anticipate where it can go even further. So now the move is starting to work. As we mentioned before, $400 in profit, $300 in profit, take the money. But when we teach our students, as you advance, you want to wait for that big move, that big professional move, whether the stock price is going up higher or the stock price is going lower. This keeps you in the trade much longer so you can get much more of a profit. And it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. Have you been in a trade or investment and you say, wow, I got out too soon, right? And you could have made more money. That's what happens to a lot of people. But we teach you how to stay in that trade for the bigger move. And it's not hard to do it. We have a systematic approach where we give you a nice foundation in all our courses to show you how to maximize the profit in every single trade or investment you take. As you see, the selling pressure starting to come in. and our profit and loss is starting to move higher. This is the move we were waiting for. This is the move we were waiting for, and we're up $900. So we start to exit the position. We were in 20 contracts, so now we only have 3 left. So we could sit back. If you look at our other YouTube videos, this is what we do consistently. We sit back and we wait to see if we're going to get that extra like dessert, because we made our money already. We're up close to almost $800 in maybe 5 minutes or so, which is amazing profits. So as we sit back and we see it starts to fall, we exit the position and we eventually get out all of our contracts. This was an amazing controlled trade, and I keep it in front of you, control. We're not scared, we're not shaken out. This is a controlled trade, and this is what we do at the Profit Room: education, application, success. So continue to watch these videos, hit the subscribe and the like button. And when you're ready to start learning how to trade and invest in any market, it doesn't matter what market you trade, as long as it has a chart, you can trade it, and we can show you how to do it the right way. As always, like we say, get educated and trade safe, and we'll see you in the Profit Room.